Hi guys! Welcome to another video. This time we are bringing you to Odisha and showing you a dish that is so soul touching and so emotionally connected to the entire culture of Odisha, and it's just about time that you should know about it in case you haven't. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and let's go right ahead. Pankaj, please tell us about it.
So summer season is here, and what do we eat the whole summer?
Pokhado.
Yeah. Pokhado is a very famous Odia dish. Pokhado is very basic, very cost effective, a meal you can have every day, and it's the best dish for the farmers who after a very hard day, a long day in the fields, need something which is full of water, can hydrate them, plus with lot of carbohydrates. So that where the rice and the water combination comes from.
So pokhado is basically rice fermented in water. You can either have it fresh or fermented in water, and it goes well with a lot of assortment of dry fries.
Yeah.
So Pankaj, what's the plan today?
Okay, so we'll show you three options. One budget-friendly Bollari Hotel, mid-range hotel, Odisha Hotel, and the hi-fi dining experience of Mayfair. Three places we are gonna eat pokhada today.
So let's get into it.
So guys, we are at a place called Bollari Hotel in CRP Square. It's bang on the CRP Square. And this hotel is a hidden treasure in Bhubaneswar. Not many people know. It's pretty old. It's more than 20 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
Chalantu jiba au khaiba pokhado.
आइटम सेमती कह गले 54 प्रकार भेज आइटम मारिबो नॉन वेज बाहरिबो प्राय 22-23 प्रकार नॉन वेज बाहरिबो.
We have the protagonist of the story, that is Pokhado. With Pokhado, he has given us some sago pakoda. This is cholera chips, and this is tuna macho bhaja. This is tuna macho poda. This is chhattu poda. This is chicken masala. And then we have something, a plate filled with different types of things which goes specially with the pokhada. We have body chura, we have sago, we have adu bharta, and some salad, some veggies. Beside the pokhada, this place is also famous for its poda items, for the macho poda, chingudi poda. The best part about this is, rather than using banana leaves, they use pumpkin leaves to wrap the chicken, and then they cook it on a coal.
Just a little bit of a pokhado tip. It's basically fermented rice in water, and you add a little bit of curd to it. Now there are variations of it, we will tell you a little more later, but this one specifically is spiced very nicely with green chilies, and you have nimbu, curry patta, green chilies. So the entire mixture here is a spicy buttermilk taste that comes out of it.
Besides the pokhado, if I'm loving something, it is this matcha chutney. This chutney is hot and properly boiled fish mashed into a chutney. Hot, a lot of raw green chilies. What a taste.
The pokhado is generally the star of the entire meal, but it's accompanied by a lot of other things, like you have bhaja items and all. So we have a splendid array of a lot of dishes here, and we will savor them now.
पोड़ा आइटम बारिबो भेज पोड़ा आइटम बारिबो 9 प्रकार नॉन वेज बारिबो 8 प्रकार चिकन पोड़ा चुना पोड़ा चिंगुड़ी पोड़ा माछ मंजी पोड़ा सबु पखर पत्र पोड़ा छतु पोड़ा मंजा पोड़ा नड़िया पोड़ा आउ छेना पोड़ा बहुत आइटम बार.
Thank you so much. Bye. Hi. Ki khaiba ki re?
Oh my god.
As always, we end up eating more at the first place that we'll end up at. Anyways, I've actually not experienced such variety of pokhado and other items in a very long time. I'm ghare bhi hue, but itte variety because these people specialize in it. It's really good. Apparently, he kept saying, sir, there are more items. You are just having about 50-60% of them. There's 40% more to come. But generally speaking, vegetarian, you're not very happy with it. Right?
Yeah. Vegetarian, I'm not really happy with it because they were very, they were like cooked well in advance or were not tasting great, and value for money. This place is really value for money.
Yeah. How much did we spend for the thali?
So we spent 60 rupees each for the pokhado and the side dishes. plus 50 rupees for the podas, prawn poda, 40 rupees for the fish podas, and everything was in the range of 35, 45, 40.
So 100, 150, you are like
yeah,
full. Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Wow, that's really good value for money proposition.
Yeah. And one more interesting element to the pokhado is the torani.
Yeah.
Oh, I absolutely love that. So after eating the pokhado, we took the bowl and we drank the torani. So torani is like, you know, it's like the ultimate summer cooler.
Yeah.
If it's like in peak summer, the more torani you eat, the more fresh you feel.
Yeah. So summer is setting in.
Yeah.
We urge everyone to save yourself from the heat and have pokhado. और जिसको पता नहीं है, go and figure out the recipe of it. It's pretty simple, and you know, combine it with a lot of other things and have it. अभी कहाँ चलना है?
Abhi, let's go to one more place. I'll show you. Come.
Hi guys, we are at our second location. Pankaj.
Oh, I don't know how this video will end up to be, but I'm already in love with the making of the video. You get to eat pokhado all over Bhubaneswar, and there's no better part to do in a Odisha summer.
Right, and if you can see the name correctly, that's Odisha Hotel, and that's where we are coming to try pokhado. So let's head inside and sink our hands into that bowl of beautiful pokhado. भाई हमको pokhado देवे तो? Sure. Thank you. We are in Odisha Hotel, and this is the beautiful spread that you guys saw. Ebe khaiba au apan manu kahiba how it is.
Yeah.
So Pankaj, क्या है यहाँ पे? Wow.
Oh.
This is chingudi.
I love this taste of small chingudis. You know, the smaller it is,
The tastier it is.
the tastier it is.
This place, I've been seeing Odisha Hotel ever since I was a little kid, and they are so legendary now that they have multiple branches.
Pokhado is same everywhere. At your home, at any restaurant, and a roadside eatery. It's just how much love the restaurant or the eatery has put into it. You know, the effort. A small effort to put some spices or make in their own way.
Everybody has a different way of
Yeah.
doing it. तो कहाँ पे छौंक इस चीज़ का होता है, कहाँ पे कुछ और का होता है. भाई ना, कौन
सरियाला.
सरियाला? इतने जल्दी? हाँ? Almost खलास है ये चीज़, but अब खाइबो?
Yes, I'll go for the second helping.
भाई
Yes.
टिके दियंतु पखाड़ा दियंतु पखाड़ा उठे पेरिनियल आसिया होता है.
Oh,
Wow.
so here we go for the second helping.
Here it's on the mid range.
It's around 200 rupees for the thali also.
200 rupees for the thali, and the add-ons like the mutton and the pohla macho are separate. But having said that, we can definitely see that the quality of ingredients is far superior.
The next custom of drinking the torani, I remember one of my friend who is very big into desi daru. He once said ki torani is the nearest to desi daru. So it's been fermented, you just need to distill it, and that becomes desi daru or the handia which people make. So this is the nearest you're getting to alcohol.
The kind of peace that you get inside your soul.
Oh, this is the best part.
Absolute bliss.
Yeah.
So we are done with eating pokhada, and these guys gave us a separate place to sit and eat and shoot at comfort. But do you really want to see how many people are here? It's packed to the gills. Check it out. Bye, thank you. Okay, Pankaj, how was the pokharo?
Oh, after 2 servings of pokharo, I'm like unable to walk.
Actually, after eating pokharo, you tend to feel a little drowsy. That's why. What did you say about the siesta and the fiesta?
Okay, so now after eating pokharo, you do what the Italians and the Spanish do the best, which is afternoon siesta.
That's not just Pankaj and me. In fact, the entire, don't even try, in peak summers, don't even try reaching out to people in the afternoon, because if you're an absolute Odia, you will be in siesta then. Anyways, it was really kind of them to serve such a beautiful spread, and on top of that, we have to say that they did not take money from us.
Yeah.
We insisted, but they did not. Hence, here is our shout out to them. Guys, Odisha Hotel, great food. It's on the medium range, but worth the money. And they are absolute legend. They've been doing it for a very long time. So, let's head to the next place.
Chalo.
Mr. Hunger Pangs, Odisha Hotel like fed us to the gills, man.
Oh man, and we are still ready. We are walking into Mayfair to eat one more pokharo. Let's go.
So, Pokharo fine dining, come in. Okay, so we are in Kanika restaurant and they've served us this beautiful pokharo platter. So Pankaj, I am very hungry, but you quickly tell our audience कि है क्या इसमें plate
Okay,
में?
so we have fried fish, we have fried chingudi, that's prawn, and we have a small fish fried.
Tuna macho.
Tuna macho, yeah, and we have sago bhaja, and we also have body chura with pokharo.
Wow. So let's dig in.
Yeah. But before digging in, this is a fine dining experience.
तो कौन spoon में खाई की?
Nah. At least use this, man.
Gamucha?
Yeah. And, oh yes. And never use spoon with pokharo.
So we can eat with hand. Though it's fine dining, we can still.
Yeah.
Let's dig in.
Yeah.
This one is a little fermented, right?
Yeah. The best part about this pokharo, well fermented, ample uses of ambo adda, that's mango ginger. But Vishwajit, I'm still missing one thing in all the pokharo. Is the use of those red brownish rice.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. I think on a rural setting that will be more prevalent, but
Oh, I love the tomato chutney. It has a lot of soriso telo in it.
तेरे को क्यों दिया मेरे को नहीं दिया?
Yeah.
ये पित्तल कसं रे खाईवर मजा आला नाही. Having said that, if you're not from Odisha and you're still watching this video, if it's peak summer there at your place, all you need to do is grab some rice, add some water, curd. For my friends in South India, well, it's very close to Tahir Sadam, and relish it with some dry fry. What do you say? Okay, Pankaj, how was the pokharo?
Oh, the pokharo, the best part of Mayfair pokharo was it was well fermented.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not able to speak. I've eaten a lot.
Very homely.
Yeah, very homely. The food was very homely. It's like coming out of your mother's kitchen.
Correct.
Right. And as I said, ample uses of ambo adda tasted very well. So
the taste was great.
Yeah.
Ambience was the best that you could ask for.
Yeah.
What about the price?
Yeah, that's the best you could have asked for. So the veg thali was 600 plus taxes, and the non-veg thali was 800 plus taxes.
Well, that's the amount that you pay for fine dining pokharo experience, and that's probably the best that you can get.
Bhubaneswar, yeah.
All in all, it was a great experience for us. Which, if I were to ask you between the three, which one was your favorite?
Very difficult, very difficult. You know, it's very difficult to point out one place because every one was best in its own budget. So I think all the three were great, and you should do a trail of doing all three Pokado destinations this summer.
I'll hold a different stance here. Amongst the three, if I were to choose, Odisha Hotel was definitely my favorite because the quality, the quantity, and the pricing with the ambience was perfect. And those guys are legends.
Listen, yeah.
How good a reason to tame janicho museta kain kahibi karare. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, share this video because I guess Pokhara Divas around the corner.
Yeah.
And if you're watching it on Pokhara Divas, all the more good. Share this video and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to live life with a dash of adventure.
Bye-bye.
By the way, Pankaj has a blog.
Yeah.
What's it called, Pankaj?
So if you're eating around in Bhubaneswar, then please follow my blog. That's Hunger Panks, HUNGERPANKS.
Yeah, I'll leave a link below. Hunger Panks on Facebook. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.